For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to assign an IP address and a PROFINET name on your Yaskawa A1000. So first thing to do is to purchase a option card. So the option card is on this description. So I'm using here SIEP3. So all you have to do is to just install it in your Yaskawa A1000. After that, you can now assign your IP address and the device name. So put the drive online right now, connected on a Ethernet cable. And I'm using a PROFINET for me to configure it. Let me search the PROFINET software. There we go. Go to network analysis, and as you can see, I have here the SIEP3, but it is not yet assigned to an IP address. So all you have to do is to double click this one, assign a name. So in my case, I will assign this as feed screw, then press set. Now it's already set to a PROFINET name feed screw. Now the next step is to change the IP address. So double click again, go to IP configuration. So assign your IP address. Then 152.255, then set. So from gray color, it's gonna change to green. It means that the device is already set or configured. And if you're going to ping it, to the 810.10.152, now I can ping the device. So if I remove the connection, and if I ping it, I should not able to see it. It says timeout. I'm gonna put it back. Ping it again. So next step is to go to the web browser. You just type in the IP address 172.18.10.152, and you can now see your Yaskawa parameters. So here you have the PROFINET, the MAC address, and you also have the chart. That's it. Oh, by the way, you can also log in, and normally the default password for Yaskawa is also Yaskawa. And you're already inside the Yaskawa parameters with the parameters also. And you can also configure an email alerts just in case your drive is tripped.